How to delete Telegram account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram account permanently. Now you won't be able to do so on the Telegram application. However, you want to make sure you're logged into the account that you want to delete. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser, and on the browser and you want to search in for delete Telegram account, and you can see the very first link, that my Telegram org. You want to simply tap on the very first link that appears, and what you want to do next is here you want to log into your account on this link. Now here you can see your phone number. It'll ask you for phone number. Simply enter in your country code first. Now my country code is +977, and then you want to enter in your phone number. I'll just enter in my phone number real quick, and once you enter in your phone number, make sure you have entered incorrectly. Simply tap on next. Now here you can see I have too many tries, but what you want to do is you want to enter in your country code and your phone number here, right? And then tap on next, and you'll get the code on your Telegram application. At the very top you can see Telegram there with a verified mark, and if you tap on it here, you will get this message that says web login code, and you can see mytelegram.org, and this is your login code, GPJFADRRGB8. Now you want to copy this code, and then what you want to do is you want to head back, and here you want to enter in the code, and you'll be able to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll get three different options, and you'll get the second option that says delete account. Simply tap on delete account and then proceed to delete with particular prompts that will guide you through, and you'll be able to delete your account permanently. So this way you can delete your Telegram account permanently. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.